Dear friends, today I will show you a video, then I will narrate the video. So let's get started. In this video, we can see a snake is going toward a cat. There are total 3 cats. 2 cats are watching and the snake tried to bite to the cat and the cat flinched and slapped at the snake's foot. Then the snake went down. That's very fun. Then the snake tried to bite again and the cat shows his spit and flinch again, then slap again at the snake's foot. So I hope you enjoyed. That's all about this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please like for me.